Watch this video and learn how to draw this. My goodness. Later in the show, we're all going to sing a song. It'll be jolly good fun. Is everybody ready? Are you ready, little artists? It's Artie's show!
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Oh, hello little artists. I'm glad you're here because today we're going to draw something really fun. Do you want to draw with Artie? I hope you do. It's going to be great.
Welcome, little artists, to Artie's show.
Thank you all for coming.
Okay, it's time to start. I think it's about time that Artie got artsy around here. Okay, let's do it. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Hi, Bunny.
Can we eat carrots together later?
I love carrots. Yeah.
Me too.
I figured.
All right. Well, have a happy day.
Bye.
Bye.
Happy day. Keep watching, little artists. It's nearly time for a song. Okay, it's time for a song. Here we go.
When you're feeling low and thinking, where am I gonna go from here? And you look around, you're sinking. Just look for me, I'll be right there. Ooh, for you. Ooh, you can count on me when times get hard. You don't have to be afraid, I'll be right there. Ready to lift today, no need to worry. I'll always pick you up, we're in no hurry. I got you, buttercup. Na 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 na. You can count on me. I'll be right there. I'll pick you up. Ooh, I got you, buttercup. Only sunny days ahead. Only sunny days ahead. For you. Only sunny days ahead.
such a fun song. I really enjoyed it, did you, little artist? I hope you sang along. Okay, time to carry on with the drawing. I love art so much.
Say, Artie, that's a really cool drawing from a really cool dude. Makes me want to sing. Oh, 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 oh.
Wow, this one came out really good. Did yours come out good as well, little artist? I bet it did. Well, I think we should colour it now. What do you think? Yeah, let's colour it in.
Coloring it in is my favorite part.
I'm finished. Wow, this one is very arty. Well, I am called Artie after all. Well, the colour helped a lot for sure. And I love the shapes and the circles. Oh, it's a good one. I'm very proud of this.
Well, that one took some skill. We'll see you again next time. Have an Artie day!
Thanks for watching Artie's show. We hope you come back again. We loved having you. Well, that's it for now. Have an Artie day. Bye-bye. Bye.